Finally, a more efficient solution for dispensing caulk and adhesives. Introducing the new 10-ounce caulk and adhesive gun and 20-ounce barrel-style caulk and adhesive gun from Makita. With an industry-leading 1,100 pounds of dispensing power for even the highest viscosity materials and cold weather use. The caulk and adhesive guns are equipped with a variable speed trigger and 5-speed dial to match the speed to the application for an even bead at all viscosity levels. The drip reduction feature relieves pressure when the trigger is released to minimize unintentional dispensing. The Makita caulking guns are the lightest and most compact in their category, with faster dispensing speed for increased productivity. Both tools are equipped with an LED light for improved visibility, as well as an overload indicator light that notifies the operator when the tool is nearly overloaded to minimize breakage of the sealants. And both will accommodate caulk and adhesives in the most widely used sizes for industrial applications. The star on your LXT tool and battery means they're equipped with Star Protection computer controls technology that protects your battery and tool for optimum performance. LXT also has the fastest charge time in the category, powered by a fast-charging LXT battery. It's part of Makita LXT, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.
Bob Reynolds here from Albion Engineering Company, today to talk about the versatility of the B12 S20 sausage gun. Right out of the box, it will dispense 20-ounce sausage packs. The sausage piston is snug inside the barrel, and it will collect the sausage wrapper without binding or wrapping. To change over to bulk use, simply remove the sausage piston, including the backing washer, and substitute it with the 873-35 bulk piston that is right in the box. The bulk piston will maintain suction both for dispensing and loading the gun from a pail of bulk caulk. To use this same gun for 10-ounce cartridges, remove the piston, slide the backing nut about halfway up on the threads, add the sausage backing washer. It's sized just right to fit inside a 10-ounce cartridge. And that's why we say at Albion that the best just keeps getting better.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.